Mushrooms have been used for centuries in traditional medicine for their powerful health benefits. Today, we'll explore the incredible health benefits of some popular medicinal mushrooms: cordyceps, reishi, king trumpet, shiitake, lion's mane, and turkey tail. Cordyceps are known for their energy-boosting properties and ability to improve athletic performance. They may help increase oxygen uptake, reduce fatigue, and support overall vitality. Reishi mushrooms are often called the mushroom of immortality for their immune-boosting and anti-inflammatory properties. They may help reduce stress, improve sleep, and support heart health. King trumpet mushrooms are rich in antioxidants and vitamins, making them a great addition to a healthy diet. They may support immune function, promote heart health, and aid in digestion. Shiitake mushrooms are packed with nutrients and bioactive compounds that have anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties. They may help boost the immune system, support heart health, and improve skin health. Lion's mane mushrooms are known for their potential to support brain health and cognitive function. They may help improve focus, memory, and mood, making them a popular choice for mental well-being. Turkey tail mushrooms are rich in polysaccharides and antioxidants, which may help support immune function and reduce inflammation. They are often used as a natural way to boost overall health and well-being. Incorporating these powerful medicinal mushrooms into your diet may offer a wide range of health benefits, from immune support to cognitive enhancement. Consider adding them to your daily routine to experience their full potential.